Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block your Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your Etisalat UAE application on your phone or any other device. So over here, tap on the option of login on the top right hand corner. Now over here, you need to enter your registered mobile number and verify it using OTP that you receive here. Now, if your SIM is lost and you can't receive the OTP, you can use another active Etisalat number which is linked to your account, or you can log in here with the help of your UAE pass or other saved credentials. So when you are inside your application's dashboard, simply just go to your account. In your account, look for the option of the active numbers which are basically connected to your profile. Now select the number which you want to block. Underneath it, you will see the option of block SIM. So you just have to tap on that option. Then the application is going to ask you for the confirmation to prevent any accidental blocking. As soon as you confirm the request, your SIM card will be immediately blocked, stopped calls, SMS, and the mobile data usage. Now, for any reason, if you are facing any kind of problem while blocking your account, in the application itself, you will see the contact us option. So when you tap on the option of contact us, you will find the contact numbers of the Etisalat customer support team. So you can directly contact them and you can tell them to basically block your SIM. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video